Good day everyone, my name is Stephen Biusana from BSIT M62. Today, I'm presenting our business titled Quickatid Application. Quickatid Application is a technology-based transportation and delivery services designed to provide fast reliability and affordable motorcycle services. Within the community, our goal is to combine transportation and delivery into one convenient digital platform. Quickatid application is a motorcycle-based services platform that allow users to book transportation and delivery services through a mobile application. Unlike traditional motorcycle taxis, Quickatid offers three flexible service options: passenger, transportation, item, or package delivery, and a combined passenger plus item service. This makes our platform more versatile and suitable for every community and small businesses delivery needs. Our business has four primary objectives. First, to provide fast and convenient transportation that reduce the travel time. Second, to ensure safe in secure delivery of items, especially for online sellers and small businesses. Third, to create sustainability income opportunities to local motorcycle rider. Fourth, to contribute to the local economy by supporting economy-based services. Quickatid offer the following services: passenger transportation, idea for student, employee, and daily commuters. Second, item and product delivery, safe and efficient delivery of document, parcel, and small package. Third, passenger plus item services designed for the customer who need to travel while bringing personal belongings or small goods. This service provides flexibility depending on your customer needs. Our target market includes students who require affordable daily transportation, office worker who needs reliable and time-efficient rides, barangay residents who need quick local delivery service, for online seller who required fast and safety item transportation. By focusing on this group, we ensure that our service remaining relevant and in demand within the community. The process of using Quickatid is a simple and user-friendly. Step 1, the customer open the application and create a booking. Second, the customer select the type of services needed. Three step, they enter the pickup and the drop-off location, including item details if necessary. Fourth step, the nearest available rider receiving the accept the booking request. And five step, after the trip is a complete, the customer pay and rate the rider. Our pricing strategy is a competitive and affordable. We start within a base fare for 40 pesos. Additional charges are calculated based on travel distance. There is a minimal extra fee per item depending on your size and weight. An optional rush fee may apply or urgent bookings. This price model ensures fairness for customer while maintaining profitability for drivers. In conclusion, Quickatid application aims to provide a modern, convenient, and community-centered transportation and daily solution. By combining technology, affordable, and flexibility, we believe Quickatid can become a trusted services provider in the local area. Thank you for time and attention. We are now open for, for question. Thank you so much. My name is Stephen. Again, my name is Stephen Bilasana from BSIT M62.